Hello students, we have learned earlier about mean, median, mode, range and probability. Today we are going to review what we have learned earlier. So let us quickly review. Question number 1. Find the range of the following data. Students, before solving this sum, let's recall range. Students, we know that range of observation is found by subtracting the lowest observation from the highest observation. Students, look at the data given to us and find out the highest observation and the lowest observation. Thus, by looking at the data, we observe that the lowest value or observation is 2 and the highest value or observation is 21. Thus, range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation equals to 21 minus 2 equals to 19. Thus, the range or spread of the data is 19. Now, sum number 2. Find the mean, mode and median for the following data. Students, before solving this sum, let us recall mean, mode and median. Students, we know that average is a number that represents or shows the central tendency of the given data, and we learn 3 types of central tendency, namely arithmetic mean or simply mean, mode and median. Students, we know that in order to calculate mean, we divide the sum of the given observations by number of the given observations. Thus, mean of some given observation is defined as mean equals to sum of the given observations by number of the given observations. Students, we know that mode means the observations which occurs most often. Students, we also know that median is the value which is strictly in the middle of the list of the observation when written in ascending or descending order. Students, we also know that when n, that is the number of observation, is odd, median is the n plus 2 term or observation. Students, we also know that in order to find out the median, first of all, we have to arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So now, let us solve sum number 2 and find out the mean, mode and median of the given data. First of all, by arranging the given data in ascending order. Thus, arranging the data in ascending order, we get 2, 3, 4, 7, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now, let us find out the mean. Mean equals to sum of the given observations by number of given observations. Sum of observations equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 14 plus 15 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 by 13. As number of observation is 13. Now adding all these observations and keeping 13 as it is, we get 143 by 13. Now dividing 143 by 13, we get 11. Thus mean equals to 11. Now mode. Mode equals to 7 as 7 occurs maximum number of times, that is 2 times. Now median when n is odd, that is number of observation is odd. Here n equals to 13 equals to n plus 1 by 2 term or observation equals to 13 plus 1 by 2 term or observation equals to 14 by 2 term or observation equals to 7 term or observation. Thus median equals to 9. As 7 observation is 9 on rearranging the observation in ascending order. Now question number 3. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, that is possible to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Students, before solving question number 3, let us recall probability. Students, we know that probability is the numerical measure of the chance of happening in an experiment or a real life situation. We also know that probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1. We also know that the probability of sure event is 1. For example, the probability of getting of number less than 7 in a throw of a die is 1, and the probability of impossible event is 0. For example, the probability of getting a number more than 6 in a throw of a dice is 0. So now let us solve this sum. Sum number 1. If today is Friday, then it will be Saturday tomorrow. It is certainly true statement. Thus certain to happen. Now sum number 2. If I throw a coin, then I get a tail. There is an even chance for this to happen because tail and head have equal chance. That is 1 upon 2. Thus can happen but not certain. Now sum number 3. If today is Monday, then it was Friday yesterday. It is impossible because Sunday comes before Monday. Students, we completed Term 1 syllabus along with revision of chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 14. Students, start practicing from today itself as your Term 1 exam most probably will start from 23rd of October. Thank you and have a nice day.